Including videos in your Constant Contact emails is a great way to generate hype about your products or events. You can now connect your Vimeo account to your Constant Contact account so you can easily insert Vimeo videos into your emails. In this short video, we'll show you how it's done. To get started, click the Integrations tab. From there, find the Vimeo app and click the block. Click Connect and then log in to your Vimeo account. Allow the permissions, and that's it. Once your account is connected, you can either go create an email, landing page, or get to managing your videos on Vimeo with ease. If you're interested in learning how to add your Vimeo videos to an email, please check out our video tutorial on how to insert videos into your Constant Contact emails. And that's how easy it is to connect your Vimeo account to Constant Contact.